How does eManualOnline.com repair manual work? Customer Experience and Reviews 2021. 1/About eManual Online. eManual Online is an online outlet offering different categories of manuals on different industries and topics. Some of the available categories on their catalog include cars, agriculture, education, electronics, trucks, miscellaneous, motorbikes, and a list of others. Products and services offered by eManual Online for people doing specialized researches on different subjects. Getting materials can prove to a hassle. This is the reason for eManual Online, as they provide resources on specialized topics and industries. Their manual categories comprise cars, agriculture, business and industrial, construction, education, electronics, engines, home and garden, marines, material handling, motorbikes, power sports, and a few others. All of these can be downloaded over the internet at a charge. 2/Reviews eManual Online. Is eManual Online trustworthy? Find out here. What feedback did they receive in May 2021? Hear from real customers about their reviews and experiences. Have you been trying to work on new technology but you have had little success with the documentation online and you're in dire need of a manual they would guide on how to get around your work? This is mostly the case. All materials are online but not all of them are accessible for free. Some require some small charge. If you need to get specialized manuals on some specific topics, then you've got to try out eManual Online, as they provide a different assortment of guides on varying subjects. Reading unbiased customer reviews of eManuals. Here is one such way to learn more about the company and its assortment of products and services. 3/Compliments, complaints, and tips for eManual Online. How did you get to hear about eManual Online, and which of their manuals have you purchased? Are their manuals worth the cost? Do they have competitors in the online space? What didn't go down well with you while using their manuals? Do you have suggestions for them? Did you get the best experience of your investment after visiting their website? We await your feedback. 4/FAQ. Is eManual Online a trustworthy company? There is currently one customer review posted about eManual Online. On average, they received a star grading of 10/10, with 100% of the reviewers indicating that they would buy from the brand again. What services or products do eManual Online offer? eManual Online is mainly active in the general category, more specifically with good causes, study, and education. I have read all the reviews. What now? Did you get a positive impression from the reviews? If so, then you can place your order on the eManual Online website with confidence. If not, you can find many other brands to read about on our website. Please click the link below for more details. Thank you for watching my video. Can subscribe to the bell channel, click like to receive the latest video.